Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have about 100 million Cotton Cuts boxes to open. I feel really bad that I've, because I know you guys, you're counting on me to open these every month so you can see what's inside, and I have been totally slacking on the unboxing side of what I do around here. So I'm going to open these one at a time. I have 5 of them. I feel really bad. One of them I just got and it's downstairs. I haven't even brought it up here yet. So, because I'm like so behind, I'm not going to do the little let's make a guess, or maybe I will, but I'm not going to be able to have time to sufficiently go and check out all of the different fabric collections and all that kind of stuff. But I'll see what I can do. Let's just see, because it's really going to depend on time. That's really all it is. So let's get this one open. I think that what I did was I was planning on doing this for a while and I put them in date order. So I'm pretty sure this is the furthest back one that I haven't opened and made a video for yet. So let's get it open. And of course, there it is, nice purple paper. Okay, so the little inspiration card says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And my box, this particular one, was put together by Ryan. And inside I have some florals, which is Floribunda by Helen Dardick for Clothworks. I have some holiday seasonal, which is Tiny Treaters by Jill Howarth for Riley Blake Designs. I have Juvenile and Children's, which this month is Oh Woof by Jessica Swift for Art Gallery Fabrics. And finally, I have some blenders, which is Curiouser and Curiouser by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. Okay, so that's what we have to look forward to. The block of the month, this was for June. Thank you very much. This is the block of the month for June. It is, what is it called? Does it say anywhere? Okay, so it's just, oops. That's the block of the month. There it is. I love how it's purple and gold. It looks like LSU. And let's see, the designer spotlight is Erica Jackman. And Erica Jackman, let's see, it says Erica first started quilting more than 10 years ago when she had 2 young children at home as a way to fill time while her husband worked long hours, and it quickly became a fulfilling creative outlet. After quilting for a few years, she decided to try creating her own patterns, which has made her love quilting even more. Her goal when writing patterns is to help you build skills and creative confidence as you create quilts. Erica is a 6th generation Texan, but has spent her adult life in Southern California and Oregon. She lives with her husband and their 3 children in Salem, Oregon. In addition to quilting, Erica enjoys audiobooks and cooking. She does not enjoy cleaning her sewing room and is usually covered in thread. It looks like her company is called Kitchen Table Quilting. And there she is. Kitchen Table Quilting. Now we, as usual, get to pick a quilt pattern, and we get to choose between the Zola quilt, the Iris quilt, the Francis quilt, the Birdie quilt, and the Eliza quilt. So there they are. I'm gonna put some quick little photos up so that you can take a look. Let me know which one's your favorite down below, and I'll have to make that decision and tell you which one I chose. Okay, so let's look at our lagniappe this month. Our lagniappe is, this month, our special thank you is a colorful Cotton Cuts branded pocket mirror Tuck it into your bag so you'll have it handy for any last minute touch-ups before your next big event. And I don't know if they're different colors, but I got a blue one. And this is a cute idea. And there it is. It has their logo on it. And oh, I see. It's easier than you think to lift up. So I won't show you the mirror, but there it is. And it just comes right up. Cute! That's so cute. And we should remind you that you can boost your delivery. And the boost your delivery, oh, it says need a boost? We have an exclusive shop for our Cotton Cuts members with notions and gifts ranging all the way from straight pins to playing cards. The items will be added to your order and shipped to you for free. This way you don't have to worry about paying shipping for small items that we can easily tuck into your box. All you need to do is head to the shop, purchase your boosted items, and we'll add them to your next shipment. Easy as that. Your options will change every month, and the items are first come, first serve, so don't delay. Okay, cool. So you can check that out on their website. Now let's pull out our fabric. I just put the box down so that I can make more room up here, which there's not a lot of. There you go, buddy. Wanna play with that? So here it is, looking cute. Lots of different colors in there. I'm excited. Okay. I'm going to do a quick little guessing thing because I can't not do it. It's too exciting. I have to do it. So let me pull the fabric out. And I'm going to put it in a quick little, I think this month's going to be quite easy actually because I have seen all of the fabrics except one. So let's see. I know where that goes. Pretty sure I know where that goes. There's, what's that? Ah, I know what that is. I definitely know what that is, and that, and that, and that. Oh, I think I know what that is, and that. Okay, I think I know what is what. So, I'm going to start from the top, which is the floral collection, which is Floribunda by Helen Dardick for Clothworks. And I think I got 2 of those. This is really pretty. Yeah, you guys, do you like this? Because I like this. And you know, this is the kind of quirky little floral that I like. Look at all the color. It's completely saturated. I totally love that. So super cute. And then the second one that I got from this collection, I'm pretty sure, is this one. Again, look at those saturated colors and those cute little like flowers and seeds, and I love this. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. I love just totally saturated, vibrant colors. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go and check out the rest of that collection because I had not heard of that one, and the 2 that I got, I'm pretty sure that they're from that collection, and I love them. So, okay. The next one is the Holiday Seasonal, which is Tiny Treaters by Jill Howarth for Riley Blake Designs. And these are the 4 fabrics that I'm pretty sure fit this in this collection. So this is the first one. I have seen this collection, and it is, you know, it's super cute. And I love Halloween, and oh my goodness, like this, they hit it out of the park with this one. Okay, so that's the first one. Here is the second one. Is that upside down? That's upside down. I was like, how come that dog looks like he's hanging from a tree? So super cute. Those are little puppies. You see the little puppy? And then these are like wonky trees. Another little puppy. You know what? This does not belong here. I know this doesn't belong here. I'm scooching it. I know where it goes. Let's forget about that one for just a second and continue on with this pile. Because I'm sitting there, I'm going, you know what? I'm taking a look at this now and I think I'm wrong. Okay, so this one is definitely a tiny treater. Very cute. Okay, which means that we're down to 3 from this collection, and I think this is the 3rd one. Okay. Yeah, all right, I'm saying this is tiny treaters. It's cute, but I don't remember this one in that collection, but I haven't spent a whole lot of time looking at tiny treaters, so I think that's what this is. It doesn't look like it fits with anything else, so that's where I'm going to stick it. Okay, and then the next... Okay, so here we are. We're at the Juvenile and Children's, which is Oh Woof by Jessica Swift for Art Gallery Fabrics. And this little guy goes with Oh Woof. I'm positive this is Oh Woof. Look at those little puppies. As soon as I said that, I was like, wait a minute. I think I'm wrong. So this is the first one from Oh Woof. And I think I still have 2 fat quarter bundles of those sitting right over there for sale in my shop, if you like this. Here is the second one that I received of Oh Woof. So you got the little puppies, and they have little bones. It's got a little bone right there. And I love the little hearts. Oh my goodness. So flippin' cute. Look at that little puppy right there. Hello, I want a little bone. So cute. Okay, and then the 3rd one that I got from that collection is this guy here with the little howling puppies, and I don't know why they have fans on them, but they do. Not really sure why, but it's cute. Okay. And then I have the 4 fabrics from Curiouser and Curiouser by Tula Pink. These are blenders. And here is the first one. And these, yeah, I mean, you guys, I know these are all Tula. Okay, so none of these are wrong. None of them. This one is actually called Sea of Tears. And you got everybody who's like just being tossed around in there. And like you got on the back part, you can see some of Alice. She's in there too. And this second one, this is called Suited and Booted. And I think this is the... this is where I'm gonna get it wrong. My nose itches. It might be the Wonder. I don't remember which colorway it is, but this is Suited and Booted. And this one is Tea Time. I think it's called Tea Time. But anyway, these are the little teacups. Super cute. They're all different. I mean, obviously, they eventually repeat, but she's got a whole bunch of different little teacups here. So cool if you want a fussy cut. Really, really cute. And then finally, seriously, one of my favorite ones in the collection. These are the, and I don't remember what it's called, but this is like the big, these are the big roses. Not the backing, not like the 108s. But just look at the color on that, guys. Holy cow. I love these flowers. I think they might be called painted roses. I think that's what it is. I think it's painted roses. Gorgeous. The color on this, unbelievable. Okay, so I'm quite sure that I got it 100% once I figured out that wolf one. So let me know what y'all think. Do you like all of these fabrics? Did you get all the stuff you like? Have you boosted your delivery? How'd it go? I'd love to hear about everything because I miss out on a lot of the stuff lately. So I'd love to hear your experience. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for continuing to watch and support me in my little channel. I'll see you later. Mwah.